In this video, we are going to learn about how to change aspect ratio in Google Vids. Now you can see it's a landscape 16:9 ratio. Now I want to change the ratio. For that, you can select this icon here. You can see video size. Click here, and then you can see landscape 16:9. Just click on this, and you can see now you can see the portrait 9:16 and square 1:1. You can select anyone from here. Like I want to select for 1:1 or square ratio, and then click to apply. Now you can fix your position like dragging the video. Here is the main portion or main ratio or main size. That's it. Now you can change the ratio of video in Google Vids. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.